adofo amusha Julie Juu Tv. Said ya can yet swa our Ghana party in the park. Minya, but my dear, go subscribe to your channel no YouTube. Nasa say baby I drone no. You what? Apart ya was a Lebon. Me personi rano. Echechemu ama wa wo hwame wo ti ase na wo hu jumadia sa Lebon Eddie. My brother, welcome to Julie Juu TV.
Yeah, thank you for inviting us here.
Yeah, tell the people your name and explain what Lebon is to the people.
Sure. Yeah, thank you. My name is Kevin Fernandez. I'm the country manager of Libon in the United Kingdom. So basically, Lebon is an international calling app. So all you need to do is, if you can download the app, Lebon, you will see a logo. You will see this logo when you go in-app. And all you need to do is download it. And you can get 10 free minutes to try it out. To make a call, all you require is data. You can use any network like Leica, Lebara, Vodafone. Try it out, it's very cheap. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. Okay, we also do have international top-up. You can send airtime or data to your family back home. All you need to do is just go to the app store, okay, download the app, and if you can go to your contacts, you can just select the number and just send amount of £5, 10, 20 pounds airtime or data back home to your family. You just need to select the contacts from your phone.
Okay, so now if I want to buy credit top-up for my mom in Africa, Ghana,
Yeah.
I can go to Lebon app,
Yes.
check my mom's number,
Yes.
and
Yeah, so what you do when you go into the app, if you go to the store, okay, you can buy credit. It says Libon payment. If you tap on it, then you select your contact whom you want to send it to, and then you can just pay for it. That's all you need to do.
that's nice. I mean, you said the yakano. Be a yabe or say the product now or auto credit. A credit. And yes, auto or selling home say a credit. Credit no on tower your tower online. Woko app neswa app store and now Google Play. Now I go download sa Lebon no. Wo download ye wo baby wo ha or just buy credit. Now what to credit no. Say wo pesa wo to credit ema ubusuani bi wo maame wo papa wo nua bi e wo Ghana. Wo ko buy credit a utimi na wa ko search telephone number no wo maame telephone number no ho. Na wa ko to credit no e de ama wo maame no. Enti aya easy, where dey aya easy. You were saying to me that you can use it to buy pay electricity or whatever. Is that correct?
Yeah. As of now, we have two products. One is Libon Call, wherein you can call back home. One is Libon Payment, where it is also known as International Top Up, where you can send airtime and data back home. We are starting with bills to be paid back home. Like you can pay electricity back in Africa. We have started with Mali and Senegal. Ghana is coming in the next 2 weeks. So you will see it in the app. So I'm sure it's going to start quickly.
So I can use the app to pay my mom electricity in Ghana for her.
Yes.
In 2 weeks' time.
Yes, you should be able to do it in 2 weeks' time. Yeah.
That is good. That is good. Okay, I've already explained it to my people how they can download it and buy the credit. Do you have anything again you want to tell them?
Yeah, one more thing is you can also buy credit at any PayPoint location in the UK. If you go to any PayPoint location, you can have Lebon in their systems there. And yeah, I would just like to say to your people to please try it out. It's very cheap. I'm sure you guys will enjoy this product from Lebon. Thank you so much.
Oh, PayPoint.
Yes.
You can buy the voucher from the PayPoint.
Yes, you can.
Oh, okay, okay. Do you have chip? Do you have chip?
Yeah, you mean to say a SIM card?
SIM card.
No. We are just an app. We are just a mobile app. So
okay.
download the app.
Okay. Yeah. All right. O say need the ani say o be download the app no. Ai na fe. Wa kwa akoto credit no. Thank you darling. Wa kwa akoto. Na fe wo dia ye wo call. landline, mobile phone, what's me the free? The price is very, very cheap. The price is easy. Anything again you want to tell people?
No, as I said to you, just try it out. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. Thank you.
I want you to say hello to your friends, your customers. Say something to them. Greet them.
Yeah. So try it out. Help your families back home. You know, this is the easiest mode of way to reach your loved ones back home. Okay. And thank you once again for Ghana Party in the Park. Thank you once again.
Yo, any anam samatio. Where there? Obi anu medro mayare for. Credit no. Otona di frefia ayana ne boya den. Enti wonya bibi sei na elfo a. Na fe woto a wotimi di dwo wanum sa frefie bonkoma. Ekosi sai wasom ne ho beto wo. Ai, enti bomodia se obekọ Google Play and App Store. No akwa download the Libon app. Now fe you started buying credit, using the credit to call back home through landline and mobile phone. Thank you very much. I want you to say goodbye. Is that all, or do you want to say more?
No, that's it. That's it from me. Okay. Thank you once again, yeah, to all of you. Thank you.
All right then. Say goodbye to the people. All right. Bye bye. Keep watching Julie Juu TV.